Hey everybody, it's Lucas from Stokes Music Studios. Thank you so much for tuning in to this video. I'm going to make it really quick. Hey, if you don't know how to get into drop D tuning, you'll learn it right now. Let's do it. We want to take our big E string and just come on in and sit right down in my video. That's not weird at all. Totally not weirded out one bit by this, everybody. Don't say a word. Don't move. All right, can you believe that? All right, we're going to memorize the sound of the D string. So memorize that sound. We're going to take our big E string and go down an octave below that. So here we go. We're getting close. When you're close to it, dude, stop. I'm trying to teach a lesson. I'm not going to ask you again. Just, dude, it's kind of weird. Just go sweep the floor or something. So now when you're close to that note, you don't want to just tune down and stop. You want to tune a little bit below that note and then tune up 2 pitch to help stay in tune. There it is. Dude, seriously, I've asked you like 4 times or whatever. Just get up, get up, get up, get out, get out, get out, get out. Gosh. Unbelievable, man, unbelievable. The middle of my video. Now, that's a general idea. You want to just match that D note. So sorry about that, everybody. And there we go. Higher D, lower D. You can always take your finger and play the 7th fret now of that big E string, and it should match the A string. Pretty close there. We're just going by ear. Now, if you're in standard tuning, you would take the 5th fret of that E string. But in this case, we're now a whole step away. So that's a general idea of how to get into drop D tuning. There's other variations of that. Now thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Again, this is Lucas teaching you how to play the guitar at Stokes Music Studios. In future videos, we'll cover even more alternate tunings. Thanks so much. See you soon.